You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about the first global police metaverse. This is for GS Paper 3 ITC. Interpol, the global police organization, has entered the metaverse. The fully operational Interpol metaverse was unveiled at the surprise session of its 90th General Assembly held in New Delhi. At present, users can tour the virtual facsimile of the Interpol General Secretariat headquarters in Lyon, France. Let's get into the details. The lack of physical and geographical boundaries allows users all over the world to interact with officers through their avatars and take immersive training courses in forensic investigation as well as other policing abilities. This metaverse, provided through the Interpol Secure Cloud, assures neutrality. It can be accessed by all 195 member countries and offers benefits like remote work, networking, collecting and preserving evidence from crime scenes, and delivering training. Now, what is metaverse? Neil Stephenson, in his 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash, coined the term metaverse, where humans interact with each other through programmable avatars. The idea of a virtual world was also explored by Steven Spielberg in his film Ready Player One, an adaptation of Ernest Cline's novel. Now, this concept is fast becoming a part of our everyday reality as the metaverse is touted to be the next step in internet development. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com.